Yo everyone, this is Chris and I am back with another mystery box unboxing from Huda Beauty. I ended up buying the large, the $89 mystery box from Huda Beauty, and I bought this about 4 days ago and it came in today, and that was the fastest I've ever gotten a mystery box shipped out to me. I'm so excited. Here it is. And let's get to the unboxing because I'm not going to bore you. I'm just going to get straight into it. I don't know if she's done these mystery boxes beforehand. I'm really out of the loop when it comes to makeup now, but I'm excited to get excited and being surprised. I really enjoy being surprised. Like, surprise gifts and surprise stuff is my favorite thing. First thing that I see is, I think, a bag. I have a billion bags, so... Oh, it's within the bag. Ha ha ha. Yeah, all right. So... Everyone, this is Skeleton Man. He is my partner in crime. He lures demons in my room, and I really enjoy that because I love demons. So here you go. That's his power. This is really cute. It has really cool like heart-shaped bubble wrap that I really want to destroy. Destroy all them hearts. Ugh! Is this my hair? Ew! This is not my hair. This looks like a pubic hair. I'm not kidding. Come on, focus. This is a really thick, curly, like, little hair. This is not my hair. I could tell this is not my hair. I will sanitize my fingers now. That was odd. All right, let's get into it. So, here it is. Bam. Bam. It smells like Huda. Okay, I get 50% off my purchase for next time. All right, the first thing I see here is the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I always need sponges, so here's a sponge. All right, what is this? Loyalty is royalty for your car. What do you call these? What do you call these things for your car? I don't have a car, so bam, I don't really care for it. Ooh, I have the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. I don't have a palette like this from her. And, oh, this is nice. It's very gold, warm tone. Bam. So that is the palette. I don't even know how much this retails for. Here we have a Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I can always use a good moisturizer. This is suitable for all skin types. It says Wishful. Is this part of the Huda brand? I never heard of it. I actually don't know anything about this. Ah, there it is. Doesn't smell too bad. Ooh, this reminds me a lot of the Tatcha water cream. That is very soft. I like it. Here, have a bite. You want to lick it? The next item I have here is the Eyeliner, the dual eyeliner pencil and liquid. Eyeliner, double crayon and liquid. Okay, so this is what I said, an eyeliner that's liquid and crayon, a duo. Oh, I don't have this either. I'm so glad I don't have any of these. Oh, I opened that really bad. Oh, shit. Shit, look what happened. I got it all over me. Oh, it's very smooth. There you go. This is actually an eyeliner that I have on today from Pat McGrath, and this is this pencil. Oh shit, I can't open the other side. How do I open this? Oh, there it is. Oh. I was about to cause a mess. So this is the other side of the liner. Come on, show up, you little... I can't curse. Okay, I'm gonna draw another line. Let's just draw... I don't know what I'm doing. This seems very promising. I'm not great at eyeliner, but I'm excited to try this, and now I have like chaos on my hand. Here we go, we got 2 more items left. Okay, we have the Diamond Balm. Oh, we have a Diamond Balm Lip Balm in Negligee. Negligee? Where? I'm not a big fan of lip balm. I don't care about lip balm. I just use my Aquaphor and I'm good. But, oh, this has glitter. I hate glitter. I don't feel like putting it over my lipstick, but we'll do it. I don't think you could tell, but it's this one. It's really cool and shimmery. I already put my lipstick over it, so it's a little dirty. It doesn't really have much of a shade. It's just shimmer. So don't let the glitter fool you. We have another lip product. This is the Liquid Lip in Ritzy Lip Strobe. I really don't care about the color. I really don't like shimmery liquid lip gloss stuff. This says it's volumizing. I honestly really don't care for this. I can probably put this in a giveaway. If you want it, let me know. I will gladly give you this because I'm not going to use it. It's just going to be chilling in my vanity forever. But if you want this, let me know. All right, so we have the last item here, and it is, of course, an eyeshadow palette. This is the Rose Gold Palette Remastered. I love Huda's eyeshadow palette, and I don't have this one, and I'm really excited. This is what's up. The last item. Let me try to open it. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm really loving the color scheme on this. I love that there's the glitter and there's matte, and actually I definitely will use this a lot. I'm excited to try this. That's basically it. So we ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should I count this as 8? I guess we'll count this. We ended up getting 8 items for $89, so that's kind of like each item will cost you about, what, 12 bucks or something like that. Yeah, I could care less for this. I don't know. I'll just keep tossing it. I'm gonna list a subtotal right here of how much everything is worth. This is a subtotal right here. But yeah, guys, that is it. I want to do a quick unboxing video for you all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and yeah, comment below if you like any items, or if you really want, if you really want this, like, if you want this for your car, I will gladly give it to you. Even this lip thing, even for you guys, you know, if you guys want this, you know, if you want to have juicy lips, just let me know. I'll give you these 2 items for free. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.